guys talked about that. All right, you're set.
This is Captain George flying this approach.
Flaps are still coming down.
Just add 5 knots to the speed if you don't mind.
See, and right there, see the bottom of that?
Yeah, just right on the top of it,
goes,
huh?
right.
And your checklist complete.
Thank you.
You're cleared to land.
First Officer James
Power's
Baker.
coming out.
Runway appears to be clear.
Get down a little bit. Back up.
Yeah. Looking at the runway.
Put it on the end of the runway
Yeah,
there, yeah.
exactly. Aim point airspeed. Aim point airspeed. Up again.
And then let the box there.
Yeah.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Oh, I shouldn't have put that last little bit
Yeah,
in
little
there.
balloon.
Balloon a little bit. Oops. One down there.
Well, it's sure a lot more fun when you can have these great visuals and everything.
Yeah, you see the texture in the runway.
Yeah, I know.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, they got the little cracks and
Next
stuff.
right turn, United 7-8.
Okay, some manual brakes.
You will cross 25 right. Southbound on Bravo. Clear to the gate.
Oh yeah, you can't see anything. I just leave it in the airplane.
Okay, we'll go through the dirt.
I think we need to turn left, but
Whatever,
whatever.
we don't want to taxi all the way down.
I'm just your guest. You just go where you want.
We're late, we're taking the shortcut.
Yeah, and I didn't see.
To grandma's house.
I didn't see you clip any lights, so I guess I can't pitch too much.
Gonna have to clean the sidewalls and the tires.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thawed on the runway
You're
here.
lining up a little bit.
You